Hello, hi, welcome to another topic in Learn AI Shape the Future series. Today हम लोग सीखेंगे कि कैसे ऑटोमेटिक ईमेलर बना सकते हैं हम लोग. So first of all we will you know looking towards the theoretical aspect, we understand the concept, and then in the next video we will understand that how we can implement this using the AI tools. So this can also be called as okay, building the agentic AI app or building the agents, uh, automatic email agents. So what we need initially, if we would like to understand, that there should be some initiator point. So initiator point can be a scheduler. So just give me a second. Okay, now the initiation point can be your scheduler, कि हम चाहते हैं कि भाई हमारे मेल्स एक स्केड्यूल पर जाए, या फिर हम एक चैट मैसेज भी ले सकते हैं. तो लाइक इन द लास्ट वीडियो ऑल्सो वी हैव टेकन, सो विल यूज़ द लाइक दिस chat where we'll say that please send a मेल. सो विल राइट ऑन अ, जैसे हम चैट जीपीटी के प्रॉम्प्ट पर लिखते हैं वैसे ही हम इसको इंस्ट्रक्शन देंगे अपनी एजेंट को. सो नाउ वी आर गिविंग द इंस्ट्रक्शन. सो व्हाट विल से वी आर गिविंग द इंस्ट्रक्शन हम किसको दे रहे हैं? हम इंस्ट्रक्शन दे रहे हैं अपने एजेंट को. सो एक ब्यूटीफुल सा एजेंट हम बना लेते हैं. सो दिस इज़ द एजेंट, AI agent, which call as AI agent. AI agent. So now this AI agent should also have some memory. Otherwise आप एक इंस्ट्रक्शन दोगे, जैसे कि हमने एक लास्ट वीडियो में भी देखा था, if he is not having memory तो वो भूल जाता है. तो we'll associate some, I would say, memory with it. And now we have associated the memory with it. So now how this agent will perform, because memory तो है but brain नहीं है. So for the brain this is memory, and for brain we can use any available LLM models, large language models. We can call them frontier model as well. So कोई से भी एक मॉडल है, हम कोई सा भी यूज़ कर लेते हैं. चलिए सबसे पहले हम यूज़ कर लेते हैं चैट जीपीटी. बहुत ज़्यादा पॉपुलर है, तो वी अगेन यूज़ चैट जीपीटी का, बिकॉज वी हैव ऑलरेडी क्रिएटेड दी API कीज, सो वी कैन यूज़ दैट. सो जब भी हम कोई इंस्ट्रक्शन इस एजेंट को देंगे तो ही विल यूटिलाइज हिज ब्रेन एंड एज वेल एज मेमरी. और हमने इसको बोला कि लाइक I would just like to congratulate one of my friend named ABC, that he has scored quite well in his last exam. So once any kind of mail which we would like to send, so then we have to give him as a tool. We have given him memory, brain and tool. I have told you earlier also, three things are main for any agentic AI app to build, and that the third thing is tool. So we will be using here इस तरीके से बना लेते हैं इसको, Gmail. Like if you are having a Gmail account, so you can directly give an access to your Gmail. So what it will do, it will take the instruction in a prompt manner, like what you want to send, and utilizing his own brain, he will write down a mail, keeping that thing in memory. If you want to send another mail, so he'll not forget that for whom he want to send, because if आपने अपना एक बार नाम दे दिया है signature में, so he'll remember that as well. And then it will be using the Gmail tool and sending mail to the system. So what used to happen, that whenever we are sending the mail, it will be used like asking to send mail, it will be utilizing his brain, giving instruction to the Gmail, and coming back to the system, that your job is done. So in the next video we will see how this thing we can implement using the simple tools available in the market. हम utilize करेंगे NA10 को because that is workflow based. We'll also be going through the coding as well. हम इसकी coding भी कर सीखेंगे बट स्टेप बाय स्टेप चलेंगे. तो फिलहाल हम लोग कुछ कॉन्सेप्ट समझते हैं थ्रू वर्कफ्लो कैसे डिफाइन होता है बिकॉज इट इज़ वेरी इजी, इट्स प्लग एंड प्ले. So once you understand how the entire agentic AI agentic AI works, how agents take the information, so you can also in the upcoming, whenever you are climbing the upper ladders, you can also understand the core logic behind it, and that also we are going to learn. And it's a very big journey where we will be covering all the available LLM model as well. I will be creating one lecture on that as well, so that will help all our upcoming AI aspirants. I know that we are having huge number of engineers into AI domain in upcoming years, so all these topics will help them to understand the concept behind how to create the such kind of application in a very easier manner. We'll cover many more market oriented apps as well, like हमने एक शेयर इन्वेंट्री का ऐप बनाया था. नेक्स्ट वीडियो में विल ऑल्सो अपडेट कैसे करते हैं उसको वो हम देखेंगे. एंड आफ्टर दैट विल ऑल्सो सी हाउ वी कैन गेट the recommendation whether to invest that in that share or not, looking its financial reports. So we'll have that kind of app also. We'll be building that app as well in our upcoming videos. So thanks for your time and keep watching, and also subscribe this so that you can have the notification whenever there is a new lecture popping up in your learning path. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.